Hello PHVendorSquare family, and welcome back to today's episode. So let's start today's episode with a simple question. While selling on WhatsApp, what happens when you go to sleep, or when your internet data finishes, or when you're in traffic on a bar road? Your sales stop, right? So what if I told you that there's a way to have a salesperson that works for you 24/7, round the clock, even while you're asleep? So welcome, my friends. That's exactly what a product listing or product page does on a marketplace like PHVendorSquare. Think of your product page as your permanent digital showroom. Unlike your WhatsApp status that disappears after 24 hours, your product page is where customers come to fall in love with your products, day and night without having to lift a finger. The product page isn't just a page, this is your silent salesperson. And today I'm going to show you how to make this silent salesperson irresistible to customers. After helping hundreds of vendors, I've been able to discover 3 things that separate average listings from the ones that sell out constantly. First off, we'll be talking about using photos that make them click. Your photos make the first impression. Customers begin to ask themselves, will you buy from this or from this? 2 vendors selling the same products at the same price, but the photos make the first impression. So while taking your product photos, I'll advise you to make good use of natural light, show multiple angles, and also show photos showing your product in use, and also include lifestyle shots. For example, if it's a dress, take a picture of somebody wearing that dress. If it's a shoe or it's a bag, try and take pictures of the product while in use. Help customers imagine themselves using those products. Secondly, make good use of product descriptions that convert. In your product description, don't just tell customers, oh, it's a nice dress. Tell them this dress is made of breathable cotton, Ankara midi dress with hidden pockets, perfect for the Port Harcourt weather and those long meetings at work. Your product description should be able to speak to the needs of customers and solve their problems. Also make good use of words that customers will use to search for products. For example, think of using words like long-lasting, easy to clean, waterproof. These are magic words to use. The third secret is social proof that builds trust. As a vendor, I would like you to encourage your customers to drop reviews after purchasing your products. This goes a long way in recommending your products to other customers. Now let's go beyond the basics now. Let me share 2 tips that will help you supercharge your product listing. The first tip is the variant power up. So if you sell an item that comes in multiple colors and sizes, instead of listing these products separately, like a blue dress, you list it separately, brown dress, white dress, you leave them separately. As if it's the same dress and you have different colors and sizes, I will advise you to list this kind of product as a variable product. So when customers visit the store, they see your variations all at once. It becomes easier for them to make their choices. Secondly is the price psychology tip. If your product goes for 5,000 naira, instead of listing it for 5,000 naira, you can list it for 4,999. Sometimes to most customers, that extra fraction of the naira that is missing, 1 naira, gives them the illusion that you've given them a discount and they're getting it for cheap. So with that, it appeals to their psychology and makes them buy what ordinarily they wouldn't have bought. So now you understand what the product listing or product page is. Let me now give you a task. The task goes like this. On your next product listing, take 3 to 5 photos of your product. Use a product title that includes key search words. While writing your product description, highlight the benefits of that product and not just the features. Make use of a clear pricing model and variants if needed. And don't forget to leave a call to encourage reviews from happy customers. After listing your product and publishing it, I would like you to share your product listing on our Discord server. Let's see what you've done, so others can also learn from you. So, in summary, always remember that your product page is working for you even when you're not working. It's your forever salesperson, your product showroom, and your key to scaling beyond your DM hustle. Thank you for watching, and if you learned anything from this video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe for more educational tips like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on subsequent videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.